Have you ever felt that life is a tension between becoming and belonging, between who you are and who you're meant to be? In Thelema, this tension isn't a flaw. It's the very force that shapes our evolution. It's love under will, the beating heart of our becoming. At its core, Thelema is a journey of transformation through a relationship, Hadith, the inner spark, the force of becoming within each of us, and Nuit, the boundless potential that surrounds us. Together, they create the cosmos of our lives. Each moment, each choice, each breath is the union of these forces. Thelema is not a path of retreat or resistance. It is a path of embracing life in its entirety. Crowley said, "Every man and every woman is a star." And what is a star but a unique fusion of fire and matter, constantly burning, constantly becoming? We shape our own fates, sculpted by how deeply we engage with this dance, with the vastness around us, and with the reality of our limits. And it is here, in this space between what is and what could be, that love under will emerges. Our ability to align our deepest drive with the world, not to conquer it, but to move within it. Thelema's liberation is not an escape from imperfection or from the body. It is a philosophy of embodiment. For instance, when I face moments of doubt or vulnerability, I don't see these as flaws to avoid. I see them as doorways, opportunities to transform, to align more deeply with my true will. Our bodies, our emotions, our vulnerabilities are not barriers. They are gateways. The limits we often seek to transcend are, in truth, the very crucible in which our true will is forged. This I call erotic liberation. It means embracing our finite, embodied nature as the spark that connects us to infinite possibilities. An alchemy where vulnerability becomes strength. Our limits don't hold us back. They propel us forward. Living Thelema is a commitment to radical affirmation. Thelema then becomes a never-ending process of self-discovery. It is the art of harmonizing Hadith within us with Nuit, the infinite around us. Each time we align, we engage in love under will, a fusion that deepens our connection with all of existence. This is the great work, the work that not only frees us from constraint, but liberates us into lives of depth, of meaning, of joy. It is the celebration of every moment, every encounter, as an invitation to grow, to transform, to be. So I ask you, where in your life can you embrace the dance of opposites? How can you turn your limits into gateways? The journey begins now. Love is the law. Love under will.